Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can check the tasks on Premise, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at this market section the tasks. So there are two recommended for me. So if you like one of the tests, you have to click on that, and you can see that this is a survey test. 3-4 minutes to complete this unpaid survey to choose which new locate test you receive. Please note that the new locate test will not affect the locate tasks you currently see. We are expanding our market and the number of different locate tests available to contributors. So you can see that um, this is an unpaid survey, but it will help you with other tasks. So if you want that, you can click on the start now. And then it says that this survey will ask you about your interest in new locate tasks. After successfully submitting this survey, you will be eligible to receive the locate tasks you expressed interest in. You will not see the locate tasks you did not express interest in. So let's see. Please note that the new locate test will not affect the locate tests you currently see. We are expanding our market and the number of different locate tests available to contributors. So which of the following locate tests would you like to receive? So here you can choose. So museums, hotels and other accommodations, cemeteries, fire station, postal facilities, subways and train stations, none of the above. Okay. What is the main reason you decline museum tasks? What was the main reason you declined tests about museums? And so on. So here you have to answer some questions, but if you want, you can exit the test by clicking on the three dots at the top of the screen. Are you sure you want to exit? This test is not complete. If you exit now, your progress will be discarded. Yes. And here is the second one, unpaid tasks. Unfortunately, informational tasks, photo best practice guide. So complete this unpaid survey to choose which new locate test you receive. So you see, first you have to complete some of these tasks in order to get paid afterwards. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.